merchants and e-commerce entities force customers to store debit or credit card details, which increases the risk of card data being stolen. This can be avoided now, with the Reserve Bank of India allowing tokenization of cards while making payments. What is tokenization? It refers to a replacement of card details with an alternative code called a token, which is unique for a combination of card, token requester, and device, says the RBI. Token requester being the entity that the customer requests for tokenization and passes it on to the card network to issue a token. The RBI has also directed the merchants not to store card details in their system from January 1st, 2022. With effect from January 1st, 2022, no entity in the payment chain other than the card issuers and card networks should store the actual card data, the RBI said in a circular. How does it work? The cardholder can initiate tokenization by sending a request on the app provided by the token requester. The token requester will forward the request to the card network, which, with the consent of the card issuer, will issue a token. The tokens are generated by companies like Visa and MasterCard, which act like token service providers. When users enter their card details into a virtual wallet like Google Pay, the platform asks one of these TSPs for a token. The TSPs will first request verification of the data from the customer's bank. When the data has been verified, a code is generated and sent to the user's device. Who can tokenize cards? The RBI has permitted card issuers to act as TSPs, which will offer tokenization services only for cards issued by or affiliated to them. Tokenization of card data will be requiring additional factor of authentication validation by the card issuer. The registration for a tokenization request is done only with explicit customer consent. Customers will also be given the choice of selecting the use case and setting up limits. What happens after tokenization? According to the RBI, for transaction tracking data and reconciliation, entities can store limited data, such as the last 4 digits of card number and the card issuer's name. Actual card data, token, and other relevant details are stored in a secure mode by authorized card networks. Why is the RBI going for tokenization? In the recent past, there have been incidents where card data stored by some merchants have been compromised or leaked. In India, there have been many such cases of frauds and can be reduced via implementing tokenization.